How to reset forgotten Facebook password. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start the outsourcing in time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So the first method is simply open a Facebook. Now simply tap on add another account. Now enter your email address and simply tap on forgotten password. Again enter your email address. Now simply tap on continue and reset your password. Again, the next method is simply open up your web browser, tap on the search bar and type facebook.com. Now simply tap on forgot password. Now again repeat the same process, enter your email address and tap on continue. Now simply tap on continue, or if you don't have your phone number access, simply tap on try another way. Now select your email account and tap on continue. Now once you do that, simply go back to the home screen and open up Gmail account. Now refresh the page. Now once you get the code, simply enter the code and tap on continue to reset the password. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.